Hi guys, I'm going to present a research paper review on the study entitled Enhancing Software Engineering with AI, a systematic review of AI models and techniques in software development lifecycle. This presentation will cover the objectives, methodology, key findings, and identify gaps of the study. Who has done the work? Let's begin with the lead author of the study. The work was conducted by Tahir Abbas, Muhammad Shuaib, and Bilal Khan. They are researchers affiliated with the Department of Computer Science and Software Engineering. Their expertise lies in analyzing the intersection of artificial intelligence and advanced software engineering methodologies. Also, we have key collaboration. Suljat Ali Ratur, Amira Turki, Sunawar Khan, Umar Al Hushari. They are from different universities. Moving on their goals and objectives. The primary goal of the research was catalog AI apps to systematically map, analyze, and evaluate how modern AI models are integrated into the software development lifecycle, or SDLC. Specifically, they aim to identify which AI techniques provides the highest efficiency, evaluate their impact on software quality, and establish a clear baseline for the future AI-driven software engineering tools. So we have here the catalog AI apps. Identify and analyze AI-powered tools such as requirements analysis, code transformation, testing, and project management across the SDLC. Next is the diagnose barrier, analyze technical bottleneck, and organizational constraint limitation adoption. The formulate roadmap, create synthetic framework for ethical AI governance, ethical compliance, workforce reskilling, and deployment sustainability. We have here the research question. To guide the review, the author formulated four central research question. First is the LC transformation. How do AI tools alter critical software development life cycle phases, such as requirements engineering and validation testing? Second question is technical limitation. What specific limitation? Generalizability across domain, lack of explainability, DevOps pipeline mismatch, black AI adoption. And the third is ethical concern. How organizational systematically address algorithm bias, uh, privacy regulation, and overall developer workforce readiness. And the last question is future direction. What emerging parag- parallelism will define AI-driven as SA, such as quantum computing, low-code optimization, or neurosymbolic hybrid models. Now, let's go to the data gathering participants and setup. Starting with the data gathering setup, for their systematic review, the participants or subject are existing academic literature. The researcher performed comprehensive digital research across major repositories including EA Explorer, Google, Scholar, Scopus, and SpringLink, Elsevier, and Wiley. They use precisely search strings combines a keyword like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and software engineering cycle to gather relevant data published or over the last decades. The target publishing time frame was 2010 to 2025. The participant and sourcing setup, they are acquiring participant of 135 highly credible for review articles and techniques, keyword searching combined with string searching. Now let's go to the dataset formatting cleaning. How did they form and clean the dataset? The author adopted the strict Prisma flow framework, or the study followed strict Prisma guidelines to filter out noise. First, the identification standard with 2350 base record, followed by the deduplication. Duplicates removes leaving 1800, and the screening, abstract and title check, filtered down to 400. The last one is eligibility. Full text analysis on 365 papers, resulting in the final selected 135 articles. So they started with the initial pool over 1,200 papers to clean the data. They applied rigorous inclusion and exclusion criteria. Papers were removed if they are duplicates, not per review, or lack empirical data. After thorough screening of title, abstract, and full text, they finalize a high-quality dataset of 85 core studied for deep analysis. In data processing and AI model development, there were in categorization. The researcher classified the review studies based on the underlying AI architecture used. They map out the technical deployment of various models, which includes large language model for code generation, deep learning models like CNN and RNNs for detect prediction, and classical machine learning algorithm such as random forest and SVM for effort estimation and project management profiling. So we have thematic data processing, extracted raw, qualitative, and quantitative data was systematically structured into distinct SDLC categories. Under that are AI-driven requirements analysis, automated code, refactoring, intelligence testing, and defect prevention. Ethical and regulatory framework. Also for the review AI and model architecture. The review evaluated several models genres for supervised MLs, CBM, decisions trees, random forest, and for the NPL models, generative models for code, and last, the realistic genetic algorithm for adaptive testing. And let's discuss the key finding and SDL impact. The study relevant that AI significantly improves three main phases of the SDL. In requirements gathering, natural language processing tools effective reduce ambiguous NPL converts and infrastructure user requests into a prices requirements, resolve ambiguity, dropping cycle times up to 60%. And automated automated coding, large language models accelerated code generation, and automotive refactoring by up to 40%. Lastly, in software testing, tools like DeepCode and GitHub Copilot suggest real-time optimization. This drastically cutting technical debt. Also in predictive defect testing, AI-driven test case generation and automated bug detection drastically minimize manual testing time and human error. So AI detect prediction, monitor code modifying to identify fault areas prior to production. Finally, in identified gap and barriers, highlights the gap and current studies. The author identified three critical barriers. First, the cross-domain limitation. AI models trained on one type of software often perform poorly when moved to different domain. AI models lack generalizable system trained and when experience drop rating of 20% to 70% accuracy when deployed on IoT or embed device. Second is the of DevOps pipeline mismatch, meaning there is a lack of seamless pipeline to deploy the and other monitor AI models in continuous integration environment. 90% of ML models fails to actual deployment due to code weight tracking mismatch and automated pipeline integration issues. Lastly, there are the massive lack of ethical metrics, specifically regarding code copyright issue and voluntary vulnerabilities introduced by AI-generated code. No standard industry metrics exists to proactive evaluate algorithm bias or secured GDPR compliance user privacy protection. 70% accuracy when deployment of IoT or embed device. Second is the DevOps pipeline mismatch, meaning there is a lack of seamless pipeline to deploy and monitor AI models in continuous integration environments. 90% of ML models fails to an actual deployment due to code, weight tracking mismatch, and automated pipeline integration issues. Lastly, there are massive lack of ethical metrics, specifically regarding code copyright issues and vulnerabilities introduced by AI-generated code. No standard industry metrics exist to proactively evaluate algorithm bias and secure GDPR compliance user privacy protection. As we move forward, let's embrace AI as a partner and innovation, enhancing our abilities while maintaining the values that makes make us unique human. While AI shows massive potential in transforming software engineering, bridging this deployment and ethical gaps is crucial for its sustainable future. Thank you for your attention.